Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning to all of you. Everybody joined. Okay, Amara, Riyan, Amir, Zainab. Good morning, Amir.
It's not yet 10 o'clock. It's 9:59.
Good morning, Amir. Amara, turn on your camera. Let me see.
It's not yet. Now it's 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 10 now. How are you all? How was your vacation, by the way? Meeting after 10 days.
Good.
It was good. What all you did?
I go
Ali,
to
turn on your camera.
Mauleshwar.
Let me see you, Ali.
I gone to Mauleshwar.
You went to Mahabaleshwar. Oh, wow. Lovely. Enjoyed?
Yes, ma'am.
Why don't you turn on your camera?
Matheran.
You went to Matheran. Okay. Matheran, Mahabaleshwar, both are hill station. So how did you find Matheran, Amara?
It was nice place.
Nice. Okay. How about you, Amir? Where did you go?
I even sat on horse.
Oh, wow. So how was the house ride?
It was good.
Okay. What about you,
I
Amir?
also sat on the horse. I'll take 2 rides.
You took 2 rides. Okay. Amir,
Yes.
how about you? What did you do in the vacation?
I did boat karting and giant wheel.
Oh, good morning, Zainab. Good
And
morning,
The
Khatija.
bumping cars also. Good
Okay.
morning, ma'am. ATV also.
So good to see you after 10 days.
I ride ATV. It's so
Okay.
good.
How about you, Amir? From when I'm asking you, how was your vacation? Yeah, Amir, can you hear me, beta?
Ma'am, 10 January we are make. Yes. 11 Tuesday we are making that number pairs of that. Yeah.
Yes, probably. Number pairs? No, multiplication.
Multiplication of that arts.
Yeah.
That.
I'll talk to Arpana ma'am regarding the same, okay? And we'll let you know. Fine. Okay, Zainab, how was your vacation? How are you, by the way? Zainab, unmute yourself, beta. You're speaking and you're muted. Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm fine and my vacation was really good. We first went to Kalimpong
Where?
and Kalimpong.
Okay. Then?
And in the train, and when we reached there, we did paragliding.
Oh, wow.
And then,
Lovely.
And then at the last, we went to Darjeeling for 3 days. For 1 day, and we found snow there.
Yeah, it's
And
winter time. Yeah, nice, very nice.
And then we went to Calcutta for 3 days. Because there was a shadi.
Sure.
And
Wedding.
then we came back home from a flight.
Good, very nice. You had a very good vacation. Zainab,
Amara.
3 places, different places in 10 days. How about you, Khatija? How was yours?
Yeah, I was just staying home having fun.
Same here, Khatija. I am with you. Same here. Even I was at home. I didn't do anything. I was at home. That's it.
Yeah, and also some.
Musfira Rizwani. Good morning.
My daddy and my grandparents and my chachis and chachus, they all came.
Okay.
And we really had fun.
Musfira Rizwani, turn on your camera. It's been 10 days. I didn't see you.
And my cousin
Yeah, Mara, what is it?
I also sit in Matheran in a toy train.
Oh, okay.
And I even saw monkeys.
There are a lot of monkeys now over there.
Yeah.
And you, Musfira Rizwani? What's wrong with her? Why don't she turn her camera?
Yes, there is monkeys
Yes,
in our cottage.
Amir, you didn't go anywhere, Amir. You were at home like Khatija and me.
In
Yeah,
our
Amir.
in
Okay,
our
even I didn't go
rooms,
anywhere.
the monkey are coming.
Okay, in
in the room,
Mahabaleshwar
the
also
monkey
a
are
lot of monkeys are there. So back to the mood. Now you have to study. You know, now after 1 week you'll be having exams, right?
Yeah.
Vacation mode is off now. Teaching mode should be on. Am I right? Hello, Musfira. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. Why are you sounding so low? Not in a mood? After 10 days, you're getting bored to start with the class, right?
Yes.
I know. But we have to.
First day of
Zainab, you
school,
don't?
I was
I'm like,
so
you're not bored?
excited.
You were excited for the class to start?
Ma'am, I was so excited that I joined first.
Oh, lovely. That's great.
I
That's
joined
great.
at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Oh my God, 1 hour before. But what were you doing?
Yes, I was so excited also.
Oh, wow. That's nice to hear. Like you were so excited for the class, you joined 1 hour before only. Lovely. Okay. We will just wait 2 more minutes and we'll start with maths. Zainab, you were not there for the last session, if I'm not mistaken. I know. I remember everything. Yeah.
That time we went from Kalimpong, so I could not come.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. We did tables. What's that, Khatija? Spring. What's that?
Yes,
What is it?
it's a spring.
Good. We will need this in 4th chapter when we do science. Right? Where is Musfira Sayyed? She didn't join. I think she's on vacation only. Even Mariam. Yeah. Even Mariam is not there. Okay, I think we should start now.
Ali also not.
Yeah.
No, Ali is
Do you remember last time what did we do? Someone joined. What's that? No one. Okay.
Yes, we did popsicle stick
Yeah?
multiplication.
Oh, popsicle went. The
No,
popsicle stick activity
we
did it
did
long back.
tables.
We
We
did.
did
Table
tables.
multiplication.
Which numbers table we have done? Which numbers
Two,
table?
two,
Then
three,
3, then 4,
4, and 5.
We did
Five.
Okay.
2 to 5.
Now let's do a quick revision. Okay. Amara will tell me 2's table. Chalo, Amara.
Two ones are 2. 2 threes are
2 ones are equal to 2. Say it like that. Okay.
2 ones are equal to 2.
Very good.
2 twos are equal to 4.
Very good.
2 threes are equal to 6.
Very nice. Amir is giving you hint.
2 fours are equal to 8.
Yes.
2 fives are equal to 10.
Yes.
2 6 are equal to 12.
Okay. She joined. Okay.
2
Yeah.
2 sevens are equal to 14.
Good.
8s are equal to
Let us speak. Let us speak. 16.
2 9s are equal to 18.
Good. Very nice.
2 10s are equal to 20.
Good. Very nice. Claps for her. She didn't even she didn't even forgotten not a single this thing multiple. Claps for her. Amara for Hamara. Good morning, Musfira. Musfira Sayyed, turn on your camera. I want to talk to you. You are.
But Nidhi ma'am has told us already.
How are you, Musfira? Yes. How are you?
But Ali, some students don't know it.
How was your vacation, Musfira? Musfira Sayyed? Okay. Okay. Fine. Everybody seems to be very fresh. Okay, Mariam also joined now. Good morning, Mariam. After a long time, she's back to the class. Yeah, Mariam, how are you? Mariam?
Mushfiya Sayyed and Mariam joined too late.
Yes, 10-9. Okay, Mariam is not answering. Now, who would like to say about threes table? Threes multiple or threes table? Hello, Mariam, how are you?
I joined late because my father had some work on this device and it was the only device that I could attend in.
Okay,
That's
okay, no problem. Yeah, Amir would say. Okay, Amir, you know now how it has to be said, right? I don't want 3 ones. No, proper winner. Yeah, yeah, Amir, go on.
3 ones are 3, 3 twos are
3
6,
ones
3
are
threes
equal
are
to
9.
3.
3
Okay, Amir?
ones are equal to 3, 3 twos are equal to 6, 3 threes are equal to 9, 3 fours are equal to 12, 3 fives are equal to 8, 3 sixes are equal to
Wait. Ali, mute yourself. Let him speak. Don't interrupt in between. Yeah, Amir, continue.
3 sixes are equal to 18, 3 sevens are equal to 21, 3 eights are equal to 24, 3 nines are equal to 27, 3 tens are equal to 30.
3 eights is how much?
24,
And 3 sevens are equal to?
21.
Okay, okay, good. He was right. He was right. And 3 nines are equal to?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
3 nines are equal to?
27.
Okay, 3 tens are
27.
equal to 30.
30.
Zainab, would you like to say 4 stable? Yeah, Zainab?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Khadija.
Yeah, everybody will get the chance. Keep patience and everybody will get the chance. Then I'm going to 6 table. Then once I'm done, look, the idea is how I'm going to go about the chapter. First, we will learn till 10 table. After that, we will solve the sums from the textbook. Is it fine? First, you should know the tables. Then only we can do the sums now. Okay? Then only we can solve maths. Yeah, Zainab, go on.
Which table?
Fours, beta. Fours table.
4 ones are 4.
4 ones are equal to 4. You have to be very specific, Zainab. That's what Amara and Amir did, right? Yeah.
4 ones are equal to 4.
Okay.
4 twos are equal to 8.
Very
4
good.
threes equal to 4 threes are equal to 4 fours are
4 threes
equal-
are equal to?
4 threes are equal to 12.
Very good. Okay.
4 fours are equal to 15. 4 fives are equal to 20.
Very good. Very good.
4 six are equal to
4 6 are equal to?
4 6 are equal to 20.
Very nice. 20? 20? 20?
24.
Okay. Then
4 sevens are equal to 8. 28.
okay.
4 eights is equal to
You have to be quick, quick, quick.
4 is equal to 30, 34, 32.
Yes. Yeah. 4.
4 nines are equal to 4.
Let her think. Let her think. Okay.
4 nines are equal to what is that called?
Ali
I
will say.
forgot.
Ali. 4 nines are equal to how much?
4 nines are
Yeah.
equal to
Yes. That's what I'm going to ask in between. Amir, put your fingers down, Amir. Let them guess. Mariam, can you tell 4 nines are equal to?
Yes, ma'am.
what is 4 eights are?
Oh, you don't know what is 4 eights are, Ali? Okay, wait. Zainab, Ali is asking what is 4 eights are equal to. Can you tell him what is 4 eights are equal to?
32.
32. Yeah, Khatija. Tell me, 4 9s are equal to? Amara, where are you roaming, Amara?
37. 37.
No, it's not 37.
48.
Wrong, Khatija, it's wrong.
Can I say?
Zainab will only say. Zainab will only say. Yeah, Zainab, continue.
46.
No, it's wrong, Zainab.
46.
Can
I say?
Musfira Rizwani, tell.
36.
Exactly.
I said first 36.
I didn't hear you, Ali. I didn't hear you. Seriously, I didn't hear you. No, you said 48, something like that. 46.
Yes.
Yeah, Khatija. Yeah, Zainab, continue. 4 10s are equal to?
4 10s are equal to 40.
Okay. Now, I want Khatija to tell 5's table.
Okay.
Can I tell?
No, you will take 6 table. Ali, you will take 6 table. Okay.
No, not 6 table. I don't know 6 table.
So you have to learn it. You have to learn it, beta. We all have to say 6 table. By end of the class today, you have to learn today 6 table. Yeah, Khatija, go on. Go on with 5's table fast.
Okay. 5 ones are equal to 5.
Yeah.
5 twos are equal to 10. 5 threes are equal to 15. 5 fours are equal to 25. 5 fives are equal to 25.
Good.
5 sixes are equal to 26. 20. No, 30.
After 30. Yeah.
5 sevens are equal to 35. 5 eights are equal to 40.
Yes.
5 nines are equal to 45. 5 tens are equal to 50.
Good. Now should we go on 6 table?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I know tens.
Yeah.
10's table is very easy. Okay. First,
Yes,
no, I
Yes,
don't
10 table is so easy.
Yeah. Okay. I can I expect kids listen to me? Okay. Can I expect till Wednesday? Sorry, next. Wait, let me speak. Next Friday again I am having maths class. Can I expect at least you will learn 6 and 7's table? Today I am doing till 10. Okay, 6 and 7's table should be done by you people. Should be learned by you people. Okay.
I have learned 7 table,
Okay.
but not too proper.
Okay. My screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Should we start?
Yes.
Ma'am, do we have to write it? Do we have to write
You
it?
write it, that's better. Okay. I am not writing 7 ones are equal to 7. Now I am taking like this. Okay. Is it understood? But how you have to say
Yes.
7 ones are equal to 7? You have to say it in this form.
Can I tell 7 twos are We're learning 7th table. We didn't even learn 6. 7 twos are 14.
Oh, sorry. First 6 table.
Ma'am, we didn't even learn 6 table.
That's what I'm doing.
6, 8, 1.
Look, that's what I'm doing.
Wondering why are you writing 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7?
Musfira, it was a mistake. Okay, now should we start? Should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 6, how do we say? 6 ones are equal to 6.
6.
6 twos are equal to
12, 6
Threes
3s
are
are
equal to
equals to
18. Keep adding
18.
6. Keep adding 6. 6
Six
4s are equal to
4s are
24.
equals to
6 5s
24.
are equal to
6 5s
30.
are equal to 30. 6 6s
6
are
are
equals
equals to
to
36.
36. 6 7s are equals to
42.
42. 6 8s are equals to 48.
6 9s are
And
equal
6
to
9s
54.
are equals to 54. And
6
6
10s
10s
are equal to 60. Everyone written? Yeah.
Ma'am, I need to. No, ma'am. I need to get my math book.
Go get it fast. 6 7 8 9 we are doing it today. You have to learn this. What did we do? We kept adding 6 6 6 6. That is why
Ma'am.
multiplication is known as repeated addition. Yeah, who's saying ma'am? Chalo.
Masfira Rizwani.
Yeah, Musfira Rizwani, tell me what is it?
I learned 6 table.
Very nice. And what? How about 7? Did you learn it?
No, I only learned 6.
Look, when
till
we are
6.
meeting on Friday, at least I want you to do 6 and 7 stable thoroughly. And one more thing, everyone stop writing. Stop writing, everyone. Just tell me one thing. What is this called? Again, what is this called? What are these? Very good. Who said that? Who said that?
Multiple.
Exactly. Multiples of what? Multiples of which number? Amir, very nice. Multiples of which
Multiples
number?
of 6 numbers.
Exactly.
6 number.
Multiples of 6. Okay. Remember this. This word is very important. Okay. Though it is not there in your book, but I am teaching you extra because my all kids are smart. So they should know extra. Okay. Yeah, Amara, I can see. Very nice. Done. Keep adding 7. 6 ones are equal to 6. 6 2s are equals to 12. 6 3s are equals to 18. 6 4s are equals to 24. 6 5s are
Can I
equals to
tell
30.
the whole table?
Yeah. Have you learned it? You said you don't know 6 table.
Yes, I learned it.
Ma'am, can I say?
You learned it. Very nice.
I'm putting like this hand that I cannot see. 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12,
6
6
2s are equal to
3s are
12.
18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are
36.
6 are 60, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are
42.
42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 50, 54, 6 10s are 60.
Ma'am, can I say?
Then
Yeah, tell me.
I do like this. I can't see the.
Yeah, I'm listening. Okay.
6 ones are equal to 6. 6 twos are equal to 12. 6 threes are equal to 18. 6 fours are equal to
24.
What did you say?
I'll show it my
6
hand.
4s. 6 4s are equals to 24. Okay.
and 6 fives are equal to
30.
36. 6 are equal to 36.
Very good.
6 sevens are equal to
42.
42. 6 eights are equal to
8.
48. 6 nines are equal to 59.
54, beta.
54.
54. 6 tens are equals to 60.
Very nice. Very
Ma'am, can
nice.
I
Yeah,
say
Mariam. Yeah, Mariam.
6 ones are equal to 6. 6 twos are equal to 12. 6
Very good.
threes are equal to 18.
6 fours are equal to 24. 6 fives are equal to 30. 6 six are equal to 36. 6 sevens are equal to 42. 6 eight are equals to 48. 6 nines are equal to 54. 6 tens are equal to 60.
Okay, but then you have seen it and you were saying it, right, Mariam? What I'm expecting you to learn it. Okay, Musfira Sayyed, where are you going?
Ma'am, I did without seeing only.
Very nice. Should I start with 7 now?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I write till 10 table.
Oh, wow. Good.
Seven ones are 7, 7 twos are 7 twos are 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are
Okay, 7 ones are equal to 7. 7
7
twos are
7 twos are
equals
equals to 14.
7 threes are equals to 21. 7 fours are equals to 28. 5s are equals to 35. 7 6 are equals to 42.
Equals to
7
42
sevens
and
are 40
7
equals to
sevens are
49.
49.
7 eights is equals to 56.
56.
7 nines are
and
equals to
7 nines
63.
are
And 7 tens
63
are
and
equals to
7
7.
tens are 70.
Keep adding 7. Okay, Mariam, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, who have written all the tables? Can you show me the book? Who have written all the tables? Yeah, show me. Show me. Okay. Very nice, Musfira. Yeah, I have seen Musfira Rizwani. You can keep it down, beta. I have seen it. Fine.
But ma'am, at the holidays I was practicing 1 to 5 table, but I didn't know we had to do 6 and
No,
7.
we will do till 10, okay? We will do till 10. I told you, na? You need to keep adding. You have to learn this by heart. You have to, there is no other option. You have to learn it, okay? Amir, is it clear? Yeah, Zainab?
I also wrote it.
You also wrote it. Very nice, Zainab. But you have to learn it. Next Friday when I'm meeting, I want you to learn till 6 and 7. Oh, wow. 8 or 9 also we are doing it today. Fine. We have time now.
Okay. Ma'am, I know 9.
Very nice. And how about 8?
56, 63, and 56, 63, 70. 56, 63, and 70.
Done?
72.
Amir, do you know 7's table?
Yes.
Yeah. Go, please say the
Ma'am,
7's
I
table.
remember.
7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28.
You have to say 7
7
fours are
4s
equal
are
to 28. You have to be specific now.
7 4s are equal to 28, 7 5s are equal to 35, 7 6s are equal to 42, 7 7s are equal to 49, 7 8s are equal to 56, 7 9s are equal to 63, 7 10s are equal to 70.
Very good. Yali, tell me.
Ma'am,
7 ones are equals to 7 ones are equals to 7 7 twos are equals to 14 7 threes are equal 7 twos are equal to 14 7 threes are equals to 21 7 fours are equals to 28 7 fives are equal to 30 30. 7 5s are equals to 35. 7 6s are equals to 42. 7 7s are equals to 49. 7 6
8s are equal to 56.
7 8s are equal. 7 8s are equal. 7 8s are equals to 54. 7
56.
9s are 56. 7 9s are equal to 64.
63. beta.
63. And 7 10s are equals to 70.
Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll ask in between.
Khadija,
Yeah, Khatija.
can I say?
Yeah, tell me.
Stable.
Let
7
Khatija first speak, then I'll give a chance. Okay. Yeah, Khatija.
7 1s are equal to 7. 7 2s are equal to 14. 7 3s are equal to 8. No, 21.
Yes.
7 4s are equal to 28. 7 5s are equal to 35.
Very good.
7 6 are equal to 42.
42.
42. 7
8.
7s are equal to 40.
49. 49.
49.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I only know a little bit about 7.
It's okay. It's okay. I kept correcting you. Yeah, Musfira Riswani. Tell me. Then I'll ask you the tables from between. Musfira Sayyed, have you done it? Have you learned it? I'll be taking your
7
orals.
1s are equal to 7. 7 2s are equal to 7.
14.
14. 7 3s are equal to wait, 7 3s are equal to 24.
No. 21. Amir is making
21.
faces.
7 4s are equal to 24.
No.
No, 28.
How it could be 7 3s are 21? You need to keep adding 7 now. So how 7 4 can be 24? Are you understanding?
7
21 in 21 you have to add a 7.
equal to 28.
Exactly.
Ma'am,
7 7
Zenab.
5s are equal to 35. 7 6 are equal to
42.
36.
No, 42.
no, 43.
42.
42.
42.
7 7s are equal to 49.
Yes, very
7
good.
8s are equal to 7 8s are equal to 53.
No. What comes after 5? What comes after 5?
56.
Yes, very good.
7 9s are equal to 63.
Good.
And 7 10s are equal to 70.
Okay. Now let me do one activity with you. You don't have to give chorus answer. Zainab, I'll ask you only. Don't worry. It's a questionnaire only. I'll be asking you the tables from in between. Now it won't be like 7 1s are equals to or 6 1s are from in between. Okay. Are you ready? You just have to raise your hand. And I am not accepting the answers who are saying it chorus. The people who are saying it without raising the hand. You have to raise your hand. Then I'm expecting your answer. Okay. Mariam, turn on your camera, Mariam. Let Ali, where are you again? Ali, at least sit in front of the camera so that I can see you. You're not even visible. Yeah, that's better now. Yeah, that's better. Should we start?
Ma'am,
Yeah, first question to Zainab only. Nobody else is saying the answer. Because she didn't say the table, now that's why I'm giving her chance. Yeah, Zainab. 6. Nobody else is answering. No, Ali. No, Ali. Mute yourself. Wait, I'll mute everyone.
36.
Very good. Very good, Zainab. Now you have to raise your hand. Okay? You have to raise your hand. 1, 2, 4 8 za. 4 8 za.
Ma'am, Amir.
Okay. 4 8 za. I want Amara to answer. No, I want Amara to answer. Amara, why didn't you raise your hand? What's the problem, Amara? Amara, answer me, beta. What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
What is 4 8 za?
4 8 za.
You don't know? Okay, check it in the table. Check it. Check it in the table.
32.
Yes. You'll learn it, Amara. You'll learn it.
Ma'am, I'm writing and learning. I didn't learn it yet. I was
Okay, please
learning.
learn it thoroughly. Okay, next part, next question. 7 7 za. Let me see who raised first. Okay, it was Musfira. Musfira Rizwani. Musfira Sayyad, where are you roaming? Okay, Musfira Rizwani, go on.
7 7 49.
Okay, just don't keep tables in front of you. Otherwise, it won't make any sense. You have to think and you have to answer. Okay, next question. Next. I want Musfira Sayyed to answer. Where are you roaming? Already you joined late and you're roaming now. Okay, next question. Sit. Next question. 7 8 za. 7 8 za. Amir raised his hand first. Yeah, Amir. Go on. 7 8 za. I cannot hear you, beta.
Amir already in first
56.
question he has
Perfect.
did like this, and he comes in next
Okay.
question. You didn't tell the question. He did like this.
Yeah, I know. The next question. 6 3 za. Musfira Sayyad. Yeah. Musfira Sayyad, answer me. Unmute yourself.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, I'm waiting. We all are waiting. She went again. Okay, Mariam, you answer it. Mariam, you answer.
The answer that
6 3 za.
21.
Who said 21?
Ma'am,
But
18. Ma'am, 18.
You saw it and you have answered it. Huh? Musfira, you saw it. You just
Musfira.
have seen in the book. Is it?
No.
No, you didn't? Okay. Next one.
The
Next
book,
one.
the book is over here.
Okay, next one.
Close.
This everyone should know. This everyone should know. 5 8 za. 5 8 za.
Can I
Everyone together. Say it together. Everyone say it together.
Everyone together.
45.
40.
Okay, listen, kids. Listen, when we meet next, please learn 6 and 7 table. Okay, I want to teach then 8 and 9. Then we will go to textbook.
Project in scratch.
Tomorrow, na, that we are doing it tomorrow. Yeah, scratch you wanted to show, na? Everyone has done something in scratch. Who all has done?
Yes, ma'am, I done, but in my laptop, if
Okay.
there is no.
Okay, how about you, Zainab? It's okay,
What
Musfira.
I've done in scratch.
Zainab, Amir, have you done something
Many
in
people
scratch?
raise hands.
Made some animation, made some background. Okay, tomorrow I will see, huh? I will see tomorrow who all has done what. Please make something. Amir, Musfira Sayyed, Mariam, please make something. Look, even if you're getting a sprite and a backdrop, will do. I'm not asking you get me some hi-fi content. Okay? Even if you put on backdrop, yeah, Zainab.
I can't share the screen. Like every time I try to share my screen, that time it says the host is doing.
I will make you host, don't worry. I will
And
do
that
that.
time you give
I
me
will
the
make,
host
look,
will
I'll make each
happen.
one the host and they can share their part, okay? In this way only I'll come to know now what are you doing. Okay? Don't worry about it. Tomorrow we'll see. So please tomorrow come up with your
But
scratch,
not in my laptop.
scratch coding, okay?
Ma'am.
Whatever you have done. Yeah, Musfira.
I cannot save in my laptop. the scratch one. I made it, but I didn't. Means I cannot.
So you make
save
it
in
again.
my
What do you
laptop.
do before the class? You make it. Even if it is not saving, you can show it to me, na? Keep it like that on your laptop. Okay? Are you understanding what am I saying?
Ma'am, I can open in my tab also.
You
Ma'am,
open
can
it.
I send you to?
Opened it.
Okay, will do. Okay, chalo. See you tomorrow. Come up with your scratch stuff, scratch project. Okay, Amir, I want from you also. Though a small thing, a small animation, a small coding will also do. But come up with something.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I think what I will make
Okay,
in
please show
scratch.
it tomorrow. Chalo, bye everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.